Little Big Studio.
The letter E is a vowel. It can make the short E sound like an egg. Or it can make the long E sound like an eel. An eel painting an egg. Now it's my turn. Egg, eel. Which one has the sound?
Egg.
That's it. Egg starts with the sound. Egg, eel. Which one has the E sound?
Eel.
Great! Eel.
This is the letter E, which makes the sound. The words jet and net have the sound in the middle. Can you hear the in jet?
All of these things have the sound in the middle. Tap them all and listen to the sound in the middle.
Web. Bell. Pen.
Sweet!
Like, share, and subscribe.